Draw a line. Mark 1 centimeter. On mark, draw a perpendicular. Draw a line for 1 centimeter. Join to these points. This one is under 2 by the Pythagoras theorem. We have given the video in the description. You can check out. So this point we have to draw perpendicular. So join these points for 1 centimeter. Join these 2 points. So give the naming O, A, B, C. O, C is under root 3. Take a perpendicular bisector. Take an arc on it. So OD is also under root 3. Thank you so much for watching.